Today, rangers from across Africa are undertaking or are taking part in what is known as the Ranger Wildlife Challenge. And this is a 21-kilometer race where rangers from across the continent are taking part. Background to the Wildlife Challenge was during the COVID period, no resources, remember people were not traveling, resources were not being channeled towards wildlife into the parks, and rangers had no resources. So donors, partners and other stakeholders decided to come up with the Wildlife Challenge just to make sure that our rangers have got resources to keep them going. Our rangers are motivated. Our rangers have got the focus that they need to ensure that our parks and wildlife remain safe across the continent. And this has continued even way after the COVID period. Today, rangers from Nyanyana in Kariba are taking part. I shall be talking to some of the participants after they reach the finishing line. But for now, I thought I just had to give you the update as to what's happening. Kariba is not being left behind. Our rangers have taken the challenge and they are making history alongside thousands other rangers from across the continent. Stay tuned, as we give you more. Thank you for now.
Come here.
Because a ranger has to be fit. Toda murenja ane simba. Murenja anofarira kunge ari fit by all means. Fitness inobatsira zvakati wandei. Inobatsira chokutanga chacho tisati tataura kuti basa ratiri kuita rinoda physical fitness because in a lot of walking. Alertness chayo when someone is fit zvinopromota alertness. It also promotes well-being here, even a mental health. We need a ranger force in a mental health iri nani. So basically that's about the challenge.
Looking at yourself, you have gone through the whole journey. How do you describe what you felt as you were partaking in this challenge?
Okay, thank you very much. I'm actually pleased and excited to be part of the team, the Kariba team that was participating in the Ranger Challenge. And I'm excited that I completed the total 21 kilometers at 3 hours in 3 hours. And to me, I am more excited because it's a contribution to my team in terms of motivating them. So I am looking forward to compete in all the Ranger challenges. I think I only missed one because I was away. I always complete these 21 kilometers.
A real challenge, 21 kilometers when you're carrying 22 kgs baggage. That's a real Ranger challenge. And the 2024 edition in Kariba is just completed, and I was just chatting to the area manager, Ms. Vanda, was giving us an insight as to where the concept came from and what it aims to achieve and what it means for him and his team. Your last words to the Kariba community, especially.
Okay, thank you very much. Let me first say, watch out on the Wildlife Ranger Challenge website to see the results internationally that will be coming. Let me also tell you that besides the final challenge today, there were quite a number of other exercises that took place as from April until today. And the last exercise, which was a sit-up exercise, I'm glad to say that Team Kariba was on number 11 in the whole of Africa.
Wow, quite well for Team Kariba. And when was this?
This was just last week.
Oh, Kariba continues to excel, and Chatatanga Tinopedzisa, as you have seen today, everyone who started the race has finished, and that's the real Ranger challenge. Thank you very much, Miss Wanda, for taking your time to chat with us. We know 21 kilometers was just gruesome, and but you took the time to update the community about the challenge. Stay tuned as we give you more.